I welcome you so much in this discussion. And by the name of Kala Alan, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So basically, we are going to discuss how you can edit a report card or create a report card from Microsoft Office Word. So automatically, I had some template. Let me use it. I had a report, report, report card. Let me use this one. Let me see. It is loading. So automatically I have that. So what I will do here, basically I will see this time around, I will see how we can create total, we can make average, we can get position and remark at the same time. The other time when we met, we were seeing how we could grade, and I think it went on well. From here, total will come to equal sign. Let me put my cursor active. Equal sign, and then from there the simple case is there are two aspects there. You can either use formula or you can use function. For the case of formula, I will explain, and then for the function, then I do practically. So to catch up with the time. So formula, you will, after putting equal sign, you just say B2, and then you put a plus sign, a plus C2, then you put a plus, and then you put D2 plus the C2. So this cell, it means that this cell plus this cell plus this cell plus this cell, and then afterward you put enter. So that one you will get the same answer as this one I'm doing. So but for this case, to speed up with the time, I will just say sum, you open the bracket, and then you just highlight this one straight away, and then from there when you press enter, so it will give you the answer. So from there when you autofill, you will get the answer there. And then for the case of average, there are 2 points. This time for the case of average, I will use two ways. So I will first begin by using formula. So formula, I will say equal sign, and then I say it is B F2 divide by 4, because there it is divide by 4 and then from there when you press enter, you get that answer. And then let's see whether it can work also when you use function. So when I autofill, I will have that answer. But for the here, let us see what will happen. So from here, I will not use the same way, but from here I will use function. The other one I use formula. So from here I will just say average. I'll type average, and then there's here, this there, then automatically I'll highlight from here. From there I just come here up to there, and then I just press enter. So it's the same, you can see. So it means that all those two methods can work. When you autofill, you can see that all of them are rhyming. So then from here, when you want to put a position, now you will come to rank. You say equal sign, and then you write rank. You say rank, and then after rank, what you do, you say you rank from, open the bracket, from which one are you going to use? Let us use H. So we have H, and then from there I will put a comma, and then after a comma, what I will do, I will say H2, H from H2 to to H6. You can say H, and then from 8 here and then up to 6, which is down here. So it will be 8 and then 6. So and then from there you can now close if you want, and then in the middle here I will put a dollar sign, and then from the middle here I will also put a dollar sign. So from there that means I will enter, and then I will have the position of the first person is 3, and then let's start autofill, then we see, and then so number 1 is down there. So and then from there you will have a remark. You have to make a remark. So in making a remark you still have equal sign, and then from there you will use a function, and then you say if 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 automatically I will either use these marks here. So let me use the average. So if open the bracket, if this one, I'm using the average, if this one is greater than 79, 59, 59, and then I put a comma, I open quotation, I will give that person pro promoted, and then you close, and then don't forget to put a comma, and then you say again if you open the bracket, if h2 is less than 49, is less than 60, is less than 60, sorry, it's less than 60, and then you put a comma, you open quotation, the person should repeat, you say repeat, then you can now put that one. So you can see you have the information, the data already there. So what you do, you close using the number of brackets that you used at first, and then there are 2 brackets that I use, so I use the 2 also to close. So then I press enter, so automatically I have the first person was promoted. I can see, let me try to enlarge a bit. So the first person was promoted, and then one person has to repeat. So that one is how you can go with that. So thank you for joining me. By the name Kalalan. So I advise you, follow me in my channel, give comment, like, share, and then more are yet to come. Thank you.